No, bro.
Stop this problem. You're destroying. This is unacceptable behavior. What is this? We're going down. I do not believe that we are the community. The idea is working. The idea against the state. Communities and countries in protection. You think these are working 2 days? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? You think you can just walk over the work of generations? You think it's okay? You think this is the way to walk?
What do you think is the way to walk?
Look, Joel gets
The idea here, I have been trying for a year to help you guys solve this stupid work
Tell me
problem.
which is the way to walk.
Way to walk to the community.
Why?
Show plans.
What plans? How many months we have shown you?
I've not seen a single plan from you. Not one.
Why you have
I have
to show?
given you more
I
plans
have
than
seen,
you.
I have seen.
You've seen my plans, I have not seen yours.
Go and see. Go to
I am-
TVC. Go to TVC.
I have gone there, I have talked to
Working
them.
committee is not a planning committee. You go to TVC.
Working committee, job is to die, this is unacceptable behavior. I'm sorry.
It's not. You are not the only one.
I know, I want to see your work, I have not seen it.
You didn't see it? You're too in for it. Please go. Please go. It's okay. No, I'll stop. No. Stop. No. You are not
Get the
stopping.
JCB
You
now.
are not stopping my machine.
Yes, I will stop your machine.
It's mine.
You will stop your machine.
You can't.
I will stop your machine.
No, you can't.
I will stop your machine.
Wait, I know you're trying your best. You want to be my job.
Hey, don't.
Come on. We are working. You bring.
No, we worked here.
You have no right
No,
to tell
you
me.
have no right to do any of this. You fucking failure.
Yeah, you are a failure. You are worse than a failure. Go.
Good, you.
Hey,
What is this? You push up. What the fuck is this?
Bebasmita,
What is this behavior?
Bebasmita, Bebasmita.
Look at this. What is this behavior? This is the people who come planning for us. Fucking disgrace. You're a disgrace to the community. You're a disgrace to us and to Mother's Day and the vision. You're a fucking disgrace. Fine, I'm voting. I have no feeling for you. Why? Look at this. What the fuck? You got this development.
You be go. Vision. In the jungle. Why you have vision?
It's not six. I know. Grade A and B is absolute each person who is no good at ceremony.
No, it's not that.
Like, this is a great opportunity I'm killing. It's a great opportunity to build a plaza. It's fucking great. Hey.
Hey, don't use any bad word here now. Okay?
No, what
It
I'm
is
saying is
enough. It is
raping our
enough.
community. It's raping our land. It's raping the dream. It's raping mother.
We are apologizing very silently. We are speaking. Why you are using bad words?
Because I'm the one being violent and raped to the land. What the values we stand for, you're just raping them. You're walking to them as if they're nothing. I'm appalled, disgusted. I don't have words to express you.
No, I know you're angry.
I am not angry. I am enraged. It's not just a path. It is a way of doing. This is a dictatorial way of doing in an anarchic community. This is retarded. You will not plant. You will never plant it.
You can't be happy.
So my guys, let me teach you a lesson. They can violate them. Hey, don't touch me.
Let him shout alone. Don't talk to him. Don't talk to him. Nobody talks to him. Finish.